Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have uh, almost done with the modeling of this particular Volvo truck over here. Let's go on with few of the details over here. So let's get started. So now what I'll be doing over here is like, what I'll be doing over here is like, we'll be creating few of this details over here. So definitely if you want, we can push this a bit inside over here and we can put a fuel tank bottom at the bottom of this. So before that, I'll just go over here. I'll slightly just push this up over here. So I'm randomly creating this few of the details over here for this. So slightly I'll shuffle this. So let's go over here. So slightly scale that. Slightly. So convert to editable poly, select the polygons. So just extrude that a bit out and just select this and slightly extrude it by local normal. Click OK. So let's go over here. We are generating few of the details. So reduce the height segments. So convert to editable poly. So select the polygons over here. Inset those polygons. Click OK and slightly extrude that. So just duplicate this over here and let's go into this view over here. Let's take a line of this auto grid over here. So shuffle this till here and let's go into rendering, enabling viewport. You can slightly reduce that. So again I can go over here. So we can generate such details in this way. Again let's just take one more line. So select this both over here and slightly shuffle this over here. So that details can be generated. If you want to create one more device over here, we can create one more device. So slightly scale that, slightly push this out convert to editable poly, select this edges, and let's give a bit of chamfer to it. Click OK, and let's again go over here. So I'll go into this side view over here, and I'll just take a line over here. So I'll slightly shuffle this over here and increase its thickness. After that, again take a line tool over here, select this, slightly shuffle this down, take a line tool. So we can utilize this in this way. Slightly shuffle it in this way. So in whatever ways, so we are just giving few details, not much. We can generate the details over here. So again take a line over here. So let's slightly just push this on the other hand. So I'll just give a color over here for that. So now I'll just select this. Definitely if you want to generate few details over here, I'll slightly extrude this out. I'll select this and I'll push this down a bit and I'll click OK. After that, if you want to create lights over here, that can be created. Let's take a box over here. I'll slightly just drag this over here. So let's go over here, convert to editable poly, select this, ring it, and let's give chamfer over here. So let's take again a cylinder. So let's just convert to editable poly, select the polygons, insert it, and let's give a bit of bevel over here. And click OK. So let's go over here and shift and drag, duplicate that, and again you can just duplicate this over here in this way. So you can just save your file over here. After that, if you want to create the tire grips, you can create this tire grips over here very easily. So let's go over here. So I'll just make some random tire grips over here. So I'll just connect this. Scale that down. So I'll just align this over here. Scale it. Slightly just push that up over here. So I'll slightly push this up. I'll scale that. So if you want, I can slightly shuffle this in this way. I'll push it up. So let's just duplicate that. So I can, if you want, you can just group this. Go over here into the side view over here. Go into hierarchy, effect pivot only. Press S and snap over here. So once you have snapped that part, you can slightly rotate it. So let's go over here and let's set it to 5 degrees or 15 degrees. So I can just set it to 10 degrees over here. So rotate it, duplicate it. So as many copies you want, you can do that. So this is just randomly I have put all of this. So if you want, I can just go into this front view over here. Oops, okay, that's a big problem because we have grouped it, so it's difficult, but we can but we need to ungroup all of this, then only it can be done. We can slightly shift this grips individually. So what I can do over here is like, I'll just deselect this tires, I'll go into open. So I'll just deselect this. I'll slightly rotate it. Or you have to ungroup that all, then it can be done easily. Now you can just rotate that. slight randomness that can be given over here in this way. So just save your file again. So the same way, if you want, you can take this also over here. So center to object. So slightly push this over here. So let's go over here. Hierarchy, affect pivot only, and push this over here. So let's set this to 30 degrees. So you can just duplicate that. Alright. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. As you can see, we have generated few details over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. That's KO Tutorials. So thanks for watching this tutorial.